In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see number of guests in Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can do this in your browser by going to the web version or by launching the desktop app. Either way works the same for what we're about to do. If you're prompted, sign into your account so you're taken to your Teams home screen. Next, head to your community in Teams. Communities are the spaces where your members and guests participate. From the left sidebar, open the area that lists your communities or teams, then select the specific community where you want to check the guest count. It helps to choose the community you manage or own, since owners typically have access to more detailed membership information. Once you're inside that community, look for the Settings gear icon. You'll usually find it near the top right of the community view. Click the gear to open the community's settings panel. If you don't see a gear, you might have limited permissions. In that case, someone with owner access can open the settings for you. On mobile, the same settings may be behind a three-dot menu, but the name and options are similar. With the settings panel open, click on Members to open its menu. This is where Teams organizes everyone in your community and shows whether they're a member or a guest. Here's what to look for. Teams typically displays a breakdown that separates members from guests, or it adds a clear guest label next to each guest name. In many layouts, you'll see a count right beside the guest section header, giving you the exact number of guests at a glance. If a single total appears at the top, scan the list for the guest labels to understand how many of those are guests. The number you see reflects the current state of the community and will update as people are added or removed. A couple of quick notes to make this easier. Guests are people outside your organization or outside the core membership of the community, and they often have more limited permissions than members. If you're trying to reconcile numbers, remember that pending invites don't always show up as active guests until they accept. Also, if your organization has specific policies, certain details might be hidden unless you're an owner. That's all there is to it. By opening your community, selecting the settings gear, and checking the members section, you can immediately see how many guests are part of that community. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your team's communities organized and up to date.